Yeah.
Yeehaw. Get it. I even brought some chicken a la king.
Lifted Van Meet, November 2025. I'm with David here. Who are you, David? Talk about your club.
Oh, my name's David. This is my 2012 E350. We've had almost 2 years. I've been camping in my old VW bus for 20 plus years, so we moved into something bigger. The wife really wanted to do something bigger, and she really liked the E350 platform, and we looked for months. We knew we wanted a pop top. We really liked the sportsmobile look, but obviously the sportsmobiles are, pricey. So we just kept looking. It took us maybe 6 months, 7 months before this one popped up. Local guy up in Vista. We checked it out. We test drove it. We went home and kind of slept on it for a little bit, a few nights. Actually turned into 2 weeks, and 2 weeks later it was still a post on Facebook Marketplace. We went back and made the deal with the guy, and pretty much the van came as is. There's only a couple things that I've added to it, but it's a great van. It drives great. Yeah, let's go check it out.
So this is a Lifted Van Meet, November 2025. First thing, lift kit. What's on this thing, man?
So this thing came, again, the previous owner, before the guy I bought it from, put in an Ocotillo Cruiser lift kit from Weldtec with the Fox shocks, modified radius arms and I-beams. So it's a 3-inch lift kit. It's got AT tires on it. I did remove the sway bar, but I didn't really notice that much of a difference in drivability after removing the sway bar. So yeah, so it's a 3-inch lift kit. I do plan to eventually, lift it higher, but for right now, I mean, especially this weekend, it did fine on the roads here. But what we love about this van mainly is this pop top. This pop top has sleeping platform up at the top, so my daughter sleeps up there when she goes camping with us. And if we check out the interior,
Tire size first.
oh, tire size. What are those? I have to look at them.
I see a 265,
75, 16.
stock rims.
Yeah, stock wheels, and
Yep.
the guy actually powder coated the wheels.
There you go.
So I mean, that's how much attention to detail the two previous owners made in his investment of this van. So he definitely took care of it. Fiamma awning. It's a 10-footer, 10 by 10. It comes out pretty far. It's got a rack on top. It's got a max air fan as well. So it looks like he did this work about 2016, 2017, the installation of all of the goodies, and then enjoyed it for several years before selling it to somebody else.
Now you're enjoying it.
Now I'm enjoying it.
Yep. And then I believe this is the tallest pop top, high top.
Yes.
There's some high tops here. We had a fella here last year, David. Shout out to David. Wish you were here, buddy. 6'7". He could stand in this, raise his hands.
Yep.
I'm Filipino, so I'll take my shoes off. Could I show these guys the inside?
Yeah. No, I have a mat in there, so go ahead and get in
I'm
there.
Filipino, so I'm gonna take them off anyway.
Oh yeah.
It's habit. My mom taught me.
Got it.
So check this out. I'm 5'10". I'm 5'10", right? There's my hands all the way up. So there you go. So if you're an extremely tall guy, 6'5", 6'4" and over, you're not gonna fit in a 4Runner. And then if you're normal size like me, you got all kinds of room. So for normal size people, it's a mansion in here. If you're a really tall guy, what else are you gonna fit in like this, man? So there you go. Colorado camper van. Yeah, it's nice.
It's insulated.
Yeah, all kinds of room for everyone, right? Sleep here, sleep up there, sleep there.
Yep.
Nice,
yeah, the
man.
bench seat turns into a bed. We have a 4-inch memory foam mattress that we fold out when I sleep, and we sleep extremely comfortable in there.
Every time I step in someone's like high roof or pop top, it's just nice standing in a van.
It is definitely. But like I said, everything, it came with the fridge. The only thing that I've added is the box, the galley box on the door and the molly panel.
And then
for extra storage for things.
You opened up the back, so you're going to show us something in the back,
take
right?
a look at the back. So the other thing I added was this pull-out drawer with 500-pound drawer slides for additional storage.
I'm running the buddy heater just like him.
Yeah, so that's where the buddy heater goes. I do have a diesel heater, portable one,
all kinds
that
of
I
heat.
use. So this is used as a backup in case, you know, I run out of fuel or I have electrical issues, because I do plug it into my lithium battery. So there is a lithium battery behind the Victron.
How many
it's only
amps?
100 watt hour lithium battery, Battleborn. I also have an ARB compressor in there, so it's just a single compressor. I don't use that to air up. Eventually, you know, obviously we'll upgrade that.
What are you airing up with today?
Today I'm actually airing up with my CO2
oh, that's right. You got that
DIY
filled up. Yeah, okay.
Power tank that I made for myself.
Okay.
So I'll be airing up the tires. So it's fully charged. So we'll see how I should be able to fill up 4 tires. The guy at the West Air told me that it should be good to go from 20 to 60.
So yeah, man, what's your VW club, man? What's your handles? What's your YouTube?
So I'm IV Dubbin on Instagram, and I also have, it's not a channel, but I have a YouTube where I, you know, post my videos of some of the work that I do. I do have a VW bus club that I've been involved in for over 26 years called Strictly Vintage Twos. So I've known those guys for 25 plus years, and I've been camping with those guys for that amount of time, and this was a logical step in this direction to get another van.
As the family grows?
As the family grows.
Gets bigger?
Actually, this is just for the wife and I.
Okay, well, now you got more room.
Do our ventures, and we have plenty of room, and the reliability and the comfort of these vans are, you know, they're unmatched. So
there you go.
Really happy. The wife is extremely happy. This is actually
her daily
the wife's
driver.
daily driver to
Yeah.
work. Yep.
So there you go, VW guy stepping in, lifted Ford Econoline. So I'll put all his social media stuff right here for you guys to check him out. Thank you, Dave. And he's a local guy. I'm gonna hang out with this guy more. Yeah. San Diego. Let me know.
Tuesday, dude.
Yeah, let me know if you're in San Diego. Come hang out with us. Shout out to my buddy Arthur. We'll do some pizza event.
There we go.
Really soon, man. All right, guys. Lifted Van Meet November 2025. I'm gonna do a mega playlist for you guys to catch all of this. That's Larry from Action Van Suspension. He's going to lead people out of this trail. My buddy Stefan. That's IV Dubbin. He has a Weldtec, but he's still welcome to be with Team Larry. There you go. What's going on here? Weldtec Designs Vans? Going out with Team Larry, Team Action Van here? What's going on? All right, there goes Team Larry. See you, man. Dave. That's Stefan right there. They're going in. Yeah, buddy.